Gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fixed video for you. This is my own monitor. Once turned on, it seems to flicker for a while before it finally produces an image. The model of this monitor is on your screen, and let's take it apart and see what's wrong. I had to take it apart on my bed because this thing is way too big to fit on my table. I do apologize for that. The board on the right is already removed. Here it is. When you get a problem like that, where something starts to work after a while or maybe several restart attempts, look no further than the electrolytic capacitors, especially if your device is 11 years old. Didn't have to look for too long to find out that 8 capacitors here are bulged. So let's replace them and see if it changes anything. Look at the capacitor on the left. See how bulged it is compared to the one on the right? This is usually a sign of a dried, overheated, or simply old capacitor, or a combination of all three. Okay, so without fully assembling it, in case something else is wrong, let's test it. Power on, and it instantly gives an image. And yes, another victory. Great job, team. I mean, sure, this monitor is probably around $100, give it or take, but the capacitors were only 10 bucks, so I'm not complaining. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today, and if not, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and have a blessed day, and I'll see you later. Goodbye for now.